Buying Roblox with Cash App, it's pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Roblox on, using the Cash App. So in order to do that, you need to make sure to have a debit card, which should look something like that, which should be from the Cash App. So after having this, Cash App or Cash Card, it is also called as Cash Card, by the way. You have to go to any of the website. You can directly go to the Roblox, or you can also go to the Amazon as well. So I'm just gonna go to Roblox, and in the Roblox, I will simply go to roblox.com. Now here you have to go to the Robux section. Now in the Robux section, you have to, click on this, little icon. It will pop up these three things. There you have to go to gift cards. In the gift cards, it should load up all the gift cards, or you can, redeem your own gift card right here. Here you have to go to shop gift cards. It will open up the gift card shop where you will be able to buy gift card using your, cash card or cash app card. So here you have to, if you want to buy it for yourself. So I'm just going to select buy it, and I'm going to click on pick card. Then you have to select the currency. So currently, if you want to buy the US dollar one, and then you have to, click on this send a digital card. And then you can select whatever the card that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy this one and this one. So here you have to select that one, and then you have to, I'm just going to required cookie, and then I'm going to click on how much. It will take me to the checkout section. Now in the checkout, I will easily be able to pay. Suppose I want to buy the $15, and I'm going to add this to cart, and then I will easily be able to, pay by going to the checkout using my Cash App card. So let it just load first. It will take few seconds, obviously, and there you go. You will easily be able to put credit or debit card. Then you will easily be able to put your details right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.